Welcome to the Microsoft Tips Showcase, where we provide quick, single-topic videos on how to do something within a Microsoft-related tool such as SharePoint, Dynamics, Office, etc. These tips are brought to you by SV MacPack, a certified veteran-owned and HubZone consulting firm supporting primarily the federal government. In support of our customers' need to maximize the value of tools they currently invest in, we started creating related videos. We hope these videos help you as well. In this video, you'll learn how to save a document library as a template. We'll move quickly to keep the video short, but don't worry. If you don't get it the first time, you can watch the video again to really understand this lesson. Let's start this by going to a document library, right here, Project Files. We're going to click on the Library tab, and when the Library ribbon opens, we'll go to the Settings command group and click on Library Settings. And so inside of the Permission and Management group, you see Save Document Library as Template. And while we're clicking on that, I'll mention to you, sometimes you create a document library and it's set up correctly, it's got the right metadata, and you want to use it for, let's say you have a document library for fiscal year 2017 and fiscal year 2018 is coming along, you want to use a different library, but the way you had made it perfect in 2017. Or maybe you got a colleague at another office who likes what you've done and they want a copy of it. You can save your document library as a template right here, and we'll just call this, for the moment, Project Files template. Let's just call it template so that we see it. The template name is that same thing, so I'm going to actually paste it here. And up here, I always like getting rid of spaces in my file names. And so this will actually be the file name, and then you have the title right here. The description, this is a standard Project Files document library used within ABC Corporation. So the last part of saving it as a template that you'll notice is you can include the content. Clearly, if you're moving from FY17 to FY18, you wouldn't want to do that. There might be different reasons you would want to do that. Generally, you don't, though. And keep in mind, if you do include content, there are limitations on how much content a template can keep. I'm going to say no, because I'm just really trying to save the core of what this is, this template of a document library. And I'll click on OK. Tells me that it's completed and we're done. As you start moving forward, there's certain rights that you may or may not have, but I'm going to show you, I have full admin rights, and I'll just show you where that went. It's telling me right here I can manage the template in the gallery, and so I can go to the List Template Gallery, and there it is, Project Files Template. Very quickly, I just want to continue this thread through by creating a new app or a new library, and I'm going to use that template that we just saw. I got to find it really quick. Sort this by name and go to the next page. Project Files Template. There's the one we just created. I'm going to click on that and say, Project 2. Create it. It'll take a couple of seconds and then it'll return me, and you'll see that right here, Project File 2 is created, and it is configured the same way as the other one that we did. I'm going to go ahead and go back to our home site right here. And that concludes the lesson on how to save a document library as a template. I hope you found this tip useful as you continue to use Microsoft-related products in support of your day-to-day job. Please provide me with feedback in the comments, letting me know how I can make the Microsoft Tips Showcase channel and actual tips more useful to you. Feel free to suggest tips we can create for you, and we'll get them on the schedule. Finally, if you found this review helpful, please share with others. I'm your host, Neil McDonald with SV MacPack. I thank you for joining me today and hope you'll join me again for other tips.